Hello, so I'm getting on a phone call with Grab today to report the incident. So everyone who's saying I should report it, things are being reported. I'm replying to this comment only because it's shocking to me how many of you have taken the exact same ride with the exact same driver in the exact same car with the exact same story. This is exactly what he told me. And this person replied that this happened last week. Tas sabi niya the next day yung surgery niya. To me, he said the surgery was today kasi kasama ko siya 2 days ago. I even saw a comment in there saying, "Ha, nasakay ko yan pero last year pa." So this guy's been doing it for a while. What I don't understand is the number of comments I have regarding this video that are just so weird. One obviously didn't look at the comments and said, "I'm coming from a privileged standpoint." Another one said, "Wala namang mali. He just wanted to air stuff out and I was just tired. So, walang mali sa aming dalawa." And then my favorite, one person corrected my grammar. Like, that's the comment. It was a correction of my grammar. So you can kind of tell, and it's true, that a person's character comes out in the things that they choose to focus on and comment on, right? Yung isa na nag-victim blame na I'm coming from a privileged standpoint, sabi pa niya sa akin, "You're a good communicator. You could have taken control of the conversation." Oh, so kasalanan ko pa pala na ayaw kong magsalita. Because I wasn't responding. After a while, I was just like, I'm not gonna respond anymore. And he wouldn't stop talking. Pero kasalanan ko pala yun. Guys, sometimes I really think that you have to think of the stuff that you comment. You have to think first. I was looking for the grammar correction. Parang tinanggal niya. See, think before you comment. Because what you comment is a reflection of yourself. But again, I got a lot of support in that video. Thank you so much for caring about my welfare. But for the others who, after they saw my video and saw that he indirectly threatened me by saying something about my house and where I live, na baka pwedeng balikan, etc., etc., are you defending that person because you've said that before? Or I am not sure. But read the room, read the comments before you comment, because sometimes it's just